Hey, how's it going? This is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads, and today I'll be walking you through your digital marketing attack plan to show you how to turn your website into a lead generation machine and really generate some more revenue for your business month over month. Now, to do that, we first have to understand how are people finding pool builders in your area. And if you're like me, chances are you go on Google, type in whatever service or industry you want, plus your city name, and pick from the first few results, either down below in the organic search results or up here in the Google Map Pack. Now, both of these are fine, and they both seem to be pretty popular options as there's about 720 searches every single month for pool builders in Phoenix. And ultimately, there's a lot more searches out there when you take into account other search terms like pool installation, pool repair, pool builders near me. So there's a ton of searches out there, but the goal stays the same, and that goal is to put our business at the forefront of all those searches. That way, at least 720 people every single month see our business first before looking at a competitor. However, in order to do that, there's a few different things that we'll need to do first. So first off, we'll need to build out our content as content is king on Google. So let's take a look at one of your competitor sites and see what they're doing as far as content goes to rank on the first page. So here we are on presidential pools, and they rank on the first page organically for Phoenix pool building services. And if we scroll down here, you're going to notice that they do have a few different paragraphs across their website. And ultimately, it is some content, but it's not the most content. So we can really go in and outbuild them, but they do have some content here. And this isn't just any content, it's content that's filled with keywords and phrases that are very industry specific. Now, to give you an idea, keywords are the most used words or phrases on a web page, and based on these keywords, we're going to tell Google vital information about our business, such as what we do, maybe where we operate from, and this is going to help Google put us in searches related to our business, such as higher volume searches like pool builders in Phoenix. So, we really want to make sure that we have a contentful website as well as industry specific keywords. So, let's see if your website follows that pattern. So here we are on your website, and if I scroll down here, I notice that you do have some content, but arguably, like I said, we always want to go bigger and better than our competition, so we're really going to want to build this content out. Even if you do have slightly more content now or very similar amounts, like I said, we really want to go above and beyond. I normally recommend about 750 to 1,000 words on any given page, but we don't just need any content. We need content that's very relevant with industry-specific keywords and phrases. That way we can rank for those higher volume search terms, like I said, like pool builders, Phoenix. So, that's really what we want to do on the internal side of things. But if I told you that was all we needed to do, I'd be lying to you because there's a whole nother part of this, which is backlinking. Now, backlinking is really going to drive us some power. So the way I like to look at it is that the internal stuff like content and keywords sets the foundation and determines where we rank, whereas backlinking is going to give us that big push and help us climb over our competitors. So let's take a look at your competition's backlink structure and see what they've been working with so far. So here we are on a tool I use called Ahrefs, and you'll notice your competition has about 4,000 backlinks to their website, and it's really generating them some power and bring in about 8,000 users every single month and about $37,000 worth of traffic value month over month. And now this is a direct result of both their website's internal factors, such as content and keywords, as well as their backlink structure. And it really makes you ask yourself, what could an extra 8,000 users or 8,000 customers do for my business? As well as, what could 37,000 extra dollars a month do for you? So let's take a look at your website and analyze your backlink structure. So now we're taking a look at your website, and you'll notice that you have about 100 backlinks to your site, which generates you some power, but ultimately it only brings in about 73 users per month and about $133 worth of traffic value. Now, like I said, the whole goal of this video is bigger and better than our competitors and to rank on that first page. That way we get ahead of our competition and really get to use our website to drive revenue because our website essentially is a 24-hour salesman. So we want to treat it like one and have it doing work for us and bringing back value. But in order to do that, like I said, we need to go bigger and better than our competitors. So if they have 4,000 backlinks, we're going to want 5,000, maybe even 6,000 to really go above and beyond them along with our internal factors, and you should start to see some value for your business. But there is one more aspect to this, and that is citations. So let's go to the Google Map Pack and talk about that now. So now we're talking about citations, which play a big role in the Google Map Pack over here. And citations are essentially all the different places your business's name, address, and phone number are listed online. Some popular citations are things like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook, Instagram. All those are different citations you can get for your business, and they all help with the Google Map Pack. Now, I researched each one of these companies beforehand and found that the number one company had 43 citations, the number two had 26, and lastly, the number three had 12. So if number three has 43 citations, we're going to want to go bigger and better, just like we do with content, backlinks, and keywords. So we're going to want 86 citations to really go in and outrank them, as well as our other factors to create the strongest ranking possible. And if you do all of that, you should start to see some positive movement in your website and really be able to generate some revenue month over month for your business. Now, once again, my name is Justin Gilman, and this is all I have for you in this video. I'd love to set up a meeting with you after this to discuss any questions or concerns that you had about this. However, I do leave you with one question, which is, what could an extra 4,000 users a month do for you? So that's all I have for you. I hope this video is educational, and thank you for watching.